préparer le pain de riz. Premièrement, on met 4 tasses d'eau. On laisse tremper pendant 2 jours. Le 3e jour, on passe le riz dans le malaxeur pour que ça devienne comme une sorte de farine. Bon, malheureusement, ici, on n'a pas le plus long pour filer, mais on utilise le malaxeur pour faire ça. Premièrement, moi, j'ajoute le sucre, une tasse de sucre. Et je brasse. J'ajoute le sel et je brasse. Je mets à peu près 2 pincées de bicarbonate de soude. Je brasse. 4 pincées de muscade moulue. Je remue. J'ajoute 4 pincées de cannelle moulue. Okay. 2 boîtes de lait calassian. J'ajoute, je brasse, je remue pour que tout soit bien mélangé. Comme il faut. J'ajoute l'autre boîte. Okay. Et j'ajoute maintenant quelques cuillerées de gingembre moulu pour rehausser le goût. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maintenant, on a tous les ingrédients sont ensemble, je remue pour que tout soit bien mélangé. Comme il faut. Et j'ajoute de l'essence vanille. Je remets. Le rhum, je le laisse pour plus tard. Au moment de la cuisson, je vais en ajouter. Pour le moment, ce n'est pas nécessaire. Donc, on ajoute aussi, il me reste un autre ingrédient à ajouter, c'est de noix de coco. J'ai le choix de l'ajouter maintenant ou au cuisson. Mais je vais l'ajouter pour que vous voyez. Ok, on ajoute tout ça ensemble. Le coco. On ajoute un autre encore. Ça fait rehausser le goût du pain de riz. On le met dedans, mais ça va fondre quand je vais mettre ça dans le chaudron. Tout ça. Bon. Et là, on est prêt. Voilà, je vais vous montrer comment on fait cuire ça. Sur le four. Et ensuite, je peux goûter. Si ce n'est pas assez sucré, vous pouvez ajouter un petit peu de sucre à votre goût. Pour les gens qui n'aiment pas trop de sucre, c'est correct. C'est correct comme ça. Ça dépend des goûts. On peut ajouter un petit peu de cannelle aussi. Un petit peu de muscade si la personne trouve que ce n'est pas assez à son goût. je vais aller préparer la cuisson. Maintenant, on va commencer la cuisson de pain de riz. On prend un gros chaudron comme ça. On met un petit peu d'huile. Pas beaucoup, à peu près 2 cuillères d'huile. On fait juste pour dresser le fond du chaudron. Ok, c'est correct. Maintenant, on commence, on brasse tout ça ensemble. Et on verse le tout dans le chaudron. Comme vous voyez. Tout ça dans le chaudron. Et puis, on remue jusqu'à ce que ça devienne consistant. On doit continuer à remuer jusqu'à ce que ça devienne un peu plus ferme. Sinon, ça va brûler le chaudron au fond. Il faut continuer à remuer tout le long. Je le fais au maximum. Moi, je remue. On continue à remuer jusqu'à ce que ça devienne consistant. Vous voyez comment que c'est consistant. Ok. Maintenant, je vais ajouter un petit peu d'eau. Tout ça, c'est pour augmenter la saveur. Je vais remuer. Et ça. Voilà. Je remue. Ok. C'est ok. Donc, maintenant, c'est le moment de déguster le pain de riz. Délicieux. Si vous aimez cette vidéo, partagez-les. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner à cette chaîne.
Look at this, guys. What is this?
I don't know what it is. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's Carlisa.
You already know it's your boy Sam.
If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on this video and check out all of our other videos and join the family.
Today we're trying Haitian food. We haven't done a food review in a minute, so we had to bring it back. Y'all know y'all love us trying all these new foods. We love trying all these new foods. I'm excited for this one.
starving like always.
Like always. We said that like all of our videos, we always be starving. So we got the chicken. We got the beans and rice. No, I think this is just the beans. We got, we're not going to show you this yet, but we got a couple goodies in here.
A lot of goodies in here.
A lot of goodies in there.
We got some rice. Their rice, that shit good. And their mac and cheese. So y'all, so we're going to just switch it up a little bit. We're actually going to plate everything on our plates how we did in one of our other videos. We just thought that that was a little bit more
oh, this looks better on the plate.
yeah, we just like how it looks on the plate, so we're just gonna do it like that this time.
Enough talking. Let's dive into this video. Let's go.
We did get 2 drinks. They're a little bit watered down because they did have some ice in there, and it took a minute for us to get back home.
A minute.
So we do have a fresh lime juice, and then this one is going to be passion fruit.
They both look amazing.
So they're both natural.
Wait, before we dig in this food, let's try these drinks. Carly went in and got the food this time, so she's gonna be saying majority of the names of the foods and stuff.
That's super good. Lime, it doesn't taste like super strong as like limes usually taste. They don't taste really strong. It's kind of sweet. It's definitely sweet. It's really good.
What's mine called again?
Passion fruit.
There's definitely a passion fruit. That is definitely on point. It tastes just like passion fruit with a little bit of pineapple.
How you know what passion fruit? You just
that just has that passion fruit flavor. Ooh,
that's good.
You always get the better drinks, yo. Ooh.
No, they're both good. My nose is itching.
Let me tell y'all one thing. With
these juices is good.
Our family with juice, we love juice. We love juice more than pop.
He likes juice.
We love more juice than water.
No, but I'm actually starting to get into more of the natural juices. We went to like a Cuban restaurant the other day, and we got their natural juices.
Those were amazing.
Those were so good. And these now from the Haitian restaurant, these are amazing.
These are really good. These are
good.
definitely a 10 drink.
10 out of 10.
I don't know if they're, you know, naturally made or just homemade, but
I think they were naturally made.
These are good. Ooh,
okay, so this one is actually going to be called, what he's grabbing right now is going to be called just stewed chicken, and
look at this
it comes with rice and 2 sides. So that's just a stewed chicken. I don't know if y'all can see.
Yeah,
I think this is the lunch portion though, because we got there early.
It looks, it's still a lot.
Yeah, no, it definitely looks. I think this is the lunch portion now. So that's the stewed chicken. It looks like there's like peppers and onions.
That smell.
And stuff like that. Oh, there's like 3 little drumsticks in there.
So what is it, like a stew with chicken?
Haitian stewed chicken. You just said it's the stew with chicken.
You know how we make our chicken? It just be leftover juices and they just throw, I don't know, look like extra juice was in there. But I guess the stew is with the chicken.
So this is going to be gratin macaroni oven baked mac and cheese. So I think it's like a au gratin or something like that, like the potatoes. Like it's kind of like similar.
Nah, that I did not know that was mac and cheese. That is, what is the noodles?
So these are rigatoni noodles.
Look at that, guys.
So if y'all can see, it's still steaming.
Yes, I see it. That looks crazy.
Still steaming hot. This looks like it has like red peppers and stuff in it. It smells kind of spicy, so definitely get that.
I give you a chicken. You want to grab your piece?
And get the mac and cheese.
And
then the white rice. This is just like regular white rice.
Ooh, guys.
But just like their type, their way.
Not even gonna cap on this food review, guys. Everything looks good.
This is their rice. It's still steaming, as y'all can see.
Oh, that's still hot too?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, and then y'all, wait till we get to what's in the bag. Y'all, this is juicy. I love when the chicken is juicy.
I didn't even think about doing that.
Ooh. Alright.
You put a little bit of juice on mine.
Right.
Juice mine up.
Dude. Stop. Yeah. Oh my, I never smelled black beans like that. That's something different.
Bruh, tell me that don't smell like cinnamon.
I don't know what
that smells like cinnamon.
I don't know.
It really does.
No, it does. I'm gonna put the beans on here.
That rice smells so good too, guys.
Ginger, that's what it is.
That, yeah, it was
because they had a ginger juice too, but I didn't know if I should get that. So
that's definitely
ginger.
Yes.
They cook with ginger.
You can. Thank you, baby. Yes. Not too much though. Not too much. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't wait to dig in. Let's show them what's in this bag. Look at this, guys.
That's the pate coda.
Like
it's like their chicken. It's chicken and herring patty.
So there's chicken. What is herring?
I'm sorry, I don't know. It says, yeah, pate code, chicken / smoked herring patties. That's a big patty. That's a big old like empanada.
Did you want me to rip in half for us or?
Yeah, okay. Just do half. And then.
Oh my God.
That is big.
It looks like onions. Pulled chicken. Ooh, that looks good.
I don't know what's in there. Really don't know what's in there. Let us know if y'all like us like plating everything.
I was just about to say
just to see how it is, cause I don't know. I feel like it's just more like.
So you guys can see
more
everything.
Of a vibe,
yeah,
you know.
Like you guys are here eating
more
with
of
us.
A vibe. These are going to be like sweet potato wedges.
Those look crazy.
So you can eat this one.
I seen a little bit of green in these inside.
These are sweet potato wedges.
Y'all know how I am with sweet potatoes, guys. Don't try
You
that.
don't even eat sweet potatoes. So yeah, that's what those called, sweet potato wedges. These are called marinade. So it's called a fried fritter. And I asked him if there was any like, I thought there was like a bacalaito, like those are going to be like a codfish fritter and like Puerto Rican cuisine. So that's why I kind of thought it was, but it's not. It's actually he said there was no meat in here, so I don't know what's in here actually. I didn't ask him all of that, but yeah, so these are the fritters, marinades.
They look like garlic balls, toasted.
I don't know if it's garlic though.
Oh, definitely not.
It does kind of smell like garlic a little bit.
I know. Put that over there.
Yeah, we got these.
What are those?
We got these.
Those look like jalapenos fried.
No, here, grab one. So this is actually going to be, I think it's called okra. Yeah, it's called okra. Fried seasoned malanga or something like that. I don't know. I have no idea. I really don't know.
It looks good though. It looks good.
It don't smell bad. It kind of reminds me of like acapulco or something.
Yeah, a little bit.
These are, y'all know these. These are going to be the plantain.
Bro, everyone's like, those are really thick.
This is just like a lot of like the Caribbean cuisines have the plantains. So
they do.
These, I'm gonna get the big one. I mean, it was a big
one. Why
one.
you even this huge one?
But I wish, one thing, because I did ask if there was some sauces. He just said that there was like sauce for like the chicken and stuff like that. But I always, you know how we are. I
would love dipping sauce.
I love like a dipping sauce for the plantain. Yes. At least the plantain, like I love the dipping sauce. But I mean, it's cool.
Bro, it's just really crazy how much different cultures make their stuff. This is some good type of mac and cheese.
This is really different.
Like it's spaghetti, but it's mac and cheese.
It's rigatoni noodles.
Like,
but
the taste is on point. Super soft.
Yeah, it's like soft and chewy, but not like bad. It's not bad. It's not like a super creamy mac and cheese. It's like a cheesy mac and cheese, but
definitely
like,
cheesy.
I don't know how to explain it.
It's not creamy at all.
There's onions I can taste, red peppers, and I don't know what else.
No, that's some good mac and cheese though. It's different.
Onions, red peppers, and the cheese with the rigatoni noodles.
Is yours soft too?
It's the same bag.
It's different.
Yeah,
I've never had mac and cheese like that in my life.
Never. That was definitely good.
Let's try this rice.
This empanada.
The empanada or the rice?
Yes.
The chicken? Let's go.
I would like a sauce for this too.
Or dip in sauce.
Oh, maybe I should dip it in the beans.
No, you know what would be good?
The bean sauce.
Babe, sour cream or the tostone sauce. Mayos and ketchup.
Smell it? Oh. Alright. I'm about to dip it in here.
This is good. It's really spicy.
I was gonna say it's spicy. That shit got my throat burning.
For real.
Nah, it's not like a bad spicy though. It's definitely spicy.
The dough is definitely homemade. The chicken blends in well with the dough. The dough is like really dry, but it tastes good.
It's not dry.
No, it's like kind of, well, this is
it's crispy.
Yeah, it's like crispy, but this piece they don't have no chicken to it.
Oh.
But everything flows together, and it's just so good with the spice.
Now this is good. I should taste it with this. The bean sauce.
Looks like there's onions, there's shredded chicken, there's a little bit of beans.
Try it with this.
Good.
That's good with that. That's good. This
Guys,
is
this
really,
is good,
I never tasted something like this before. This is a patty for real.
This is
really good.
This is some good stuff. Like I said, I don't know what's in it.
I don't know what's in here. I know it's onions.
There's onions, beans, red peppers.
Where's the bean?
Right here. A little bit of
That's
beans.
not a bean.
Well, what is that? I swear that's a bean. It has to be a bean. A piece of a bean. That's a bean.
No, it's not. That's
not a chocolate chip. Like, that's a bean.
No, I think that's from the chicken. You know how the chicken be having those pieces.
But anyways,
It's not a bean.
this is smack, guys. My gosh.
I don't want to spend too much time on this, but this is really juicy. It's only $4 for that big old thing, so that's definitely worth it. That's like a meal right there. It's juicy, just flavorful. It's spicy. It's definitely, I don't know.
Bro,
It's really good.
all the tastes that they put in there, it just blends so well. What is this?
I don't know what it is. I have no idea. It's malanga. Let's look it up.
Bro, it's like an overstuffed French fry.
Hang on.
I'm serious, it don't taste like nothing.
Malanga. Right here. This isn't. Oh no, that's not it. Actually, I said the wrong thing. It's okra, fried seasoned ground malanga. In English, it's called the taro. Like taro root. It's kind of similar to yuca. Yuca root. We had yuca, remember?
Yeah, so this is
It's
like a
similar.
fried plant.
It's a root vegetable known as taro palo. Yeah, I never tasted this before. This is how it looks, y'all.
Guys.
This is how it looks. It looks just like a yuca. It's malanga cocoa.
It looks like a potato.
Look. This is how it looks.
It looks like a potato, yo.
Oh.
To me, this tastes like a French fry stuffed with mashed potatoes. This is good, yo. This also would be good with the tostone sauce, mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together.
No, I think the green sauce.
That was good, babe. If I can have that again, like fresh, well done, right at the fryer, super crunchy, that's good. But the texture now, I'm good,
It's a
babe. I'm
little
good.
chewy.
It's a little bit of chewy. It's definitely crunchy. We're just late to the food a little bit, but it definitely has a good texture. And guys, it tastes like mashed potatoes inside a fried French fry. I'm serious.
I don't know how to explain the taste.
I like it.
I would say like a mashed potato. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to explain the texture of it. It's really good though. I feel like it's a savory taste.
That's what it is.
It's savory taste. I feel like it's definitely a savory taste. If you like loaded mashed potatoes or something with like a bunch of different seasonings in it, I feel like that is definitely you would like it. It's like fried mashed potatoes.
Literally.
With like
the filling inside.
seasoning. I don't know if it's like cheese in there or something, but it definitely tastes good. So definitely make sure I go get what is it called? The marinade.
A marinade. Yeah, I forgot what you
Marinade?
said. AKA fried French fry with mashed potatoes inside.
All right, let's try the rice.
Yes,
Let's try the
please. Let's try this rice. And it's still hot.
That is good. Beans. Okay, we're about to start having to mess with the Haitian food, y'all.
Haitian food. The rice is A1, man.
The rice is good.
The beans just top it off, make it better.
The beans have like, the beans are definitely seasoned very differently. I cook black beans all the time with my white rice and stuff like that.
Those, babe?
And I never had no black beans like this.
And the sauce that comes with the beans.
It's like ginger
Look, I'm eating with my fork the whole time. I have a spoon.
It's like ginger and I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I'm so sorry.
I can't even taste that ginger taste though. Like
I tasted a little bit. No, it's not a strong ginger taste.
Like,
it's not strong. It's definitely like a little like.
It's not even
pinch of it.
Yeah, it's not even crazy. But the texture, but everything, you can just tell everything was just homemade.
This is the marinade. I'm sorry, y'all. This is the marinade. This is going to be the fried fritter. I'm gonna have to search up what's in here because I honestly really don't even know.
What is this?
No, it's like cilantro or something. Hang on. I'm looking. Onions, garlic, epis.
What is that? Might be the epis. It's green stuff. It's like a.
This is. He said. Yeah, he said it's dough. That's when you.
I was about to say it's like a roll. Okay.
Oh, epis is a Haitian marinade.
Okay.
I don't know.
He said it was like a dough ball, right?
Dough ball, yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Before you have this, you definitely need a dip sauce with this. This would dry your mouth out.
It's not that dry. I mean, maybe your piece, not mine.
But mine is dry. I don't know how yours is different, but mine is dry.
Mine is dry.
But no, this would be good dipped in with mashed potatoes. Definitely any dipping sauce of your choice. And maybe if you put a little bit of rice on here, it tastes good. Let me try some of that.
No. Rice?
Yeah.
Oh my, I don't know what you be thinking.
Look,
the sauce. I don't know how to explain this taste either. So I guess it's just chopped scallops or like onions or whatever. Garlic and epis, a type of Haitian marinade seasoning. I would definitely prefer a sauce with this one too.
Definitely.
Like a crema sauce or something like that. That would be really good. Alright, so this one.
I'm scared on this one. This looks like a
This
fried
is just
bug.
a sweet potato wedge, okay? So that's literally, there's no.
You know how I am with these sweet potato things, yo.
What? You never even really ate sweet potatoes.
Yeah, exactly.
It just tastes like sweet potato. Like, well, this is like a different sweet potato. I've never seen this color sweet potato.
I thought you were gonna bite into it. It was gonna be the different color. I seen green in mine, but
it's not green. It's like
look right here. It looks green inside right here.
I don't know what type of sweet potato this is.
But no, this is a different sweet potato. How did they cook it? Did they fry it? Look at the shell.
It's like a little bit. It's like a little bit crispy. Maybe like baked it. I think they baked them.
You definitely need something with it because it's a little bit on the dry side. But
yeah. But it's like if you eat like a baked potato by itself, like it's like dry.
That's how the texture inside it is, like a sweet potato.
It is a sweet potato.
Like a potato. You know what I mean? Guy, we man. Like
a baked sweet potato, like how the inside is. That's how it is.
You crack it open and then you eat.
But it's kind of just like
inside.
a wedge. Instead of like the whole potato, it's just like a cut off piece of a sweet potato that's like baked in the wedge. It's good.
If I was here to order again, I wouldn't get those, but they're good. Yes, sir.
Oh. Yeah, it's definitely good. Finger looking good.
It almost tastes like the same chicken that's in this. I guarantee it is. Just a little less spice. You don't taste it?
That's different chicken, for sure.
It is. It is. I swear though, it's still. If you added the spice that was in here to here, it would taste like the same.
No, it's not.
But no, this is good. This is definitely some juicy chicken.
Nah, it is definitely
juicy. Gosh.
Definitely juicy. I don't know. I've been seeing like a lot of different places that we've been trying different foods. They tend to use the drumsticks, like the drumsticks of the chicken. A lot of them don't use like the chicken breasts or anything like that.
The last one we had, it was a presto, I believe.
Which one?
Was it a breast? The Columbia.
No, they had the same thing. The stick.
Definitely tastes like it was marinated in there for a long time though too.
Yeah, definitely. This is just a stewed chicken. It doesn't say specifically what type of stew it is. It just has the chicken with the onions and the red peppers. I'm not too much of a fan of red peppers, so I might just taste one or two of them, but I'm not really a fan of it. But it's definitely good. Really, really, really
good. Guys,
good.
the chicken's soft as hell. It just slides right off. You have no hassle tearing it apart. This is good.
I don't know what's the flavor though. Like what does it taste like?
Yeah, I don't know. I
don't know what y'all season y'all food with, but if y'all Haitian, whoever watching this, make sure you drop a comment below. We can't even.
No, I really can't even
figure out
explain.
the flavor.
Yeah, I really can't tell you the flavor. It tastes.
I really don't know.
Like I have like 4
It's
pieces
really
in my mouth. I
good.
can't tell. I don't know. I don't know.
I have no idea.
It just tastes like juicy, well-seasoned chicken. Last but not least on a plate, we almost forgot about it.
Yeah, we almost did, to be honest.
Is this sucker right here?
The plantain. I need a sauce.
Yes. See, the things with these, bro, you have to have them when they come out.
Right.
You have to.
Fresh out.
Because then they just taste like hard, stale bread.
It's not hard. It's not hard. It's just the inside is like very dry.
Yeah, I'm not even, I can't. I would have to
fry it.
Yes, refry to re-bake these. You have to have those fresh out.
Yeah.
We brought you guys another food review. This time it was Haitian, and oh my gosh, I love you guys. Your food is amazing.
Yes.
Definitely coming back for you guys. Definitely.
Oh.
The food was just A1.
Really good.
Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be dropping more bangers for the rest of this week. Thursday and Saturday. Don't forget. We'll see you in the next video.
Bonjour frère Maxime, comment nous c'est GFL Cuisine Créole. Jean Fédor lundi, votre chef à la maison qui rentre la canou. Moi dis nous merci. Merci parce que nous continuez à suivre moi et partager vidéo pour moi. Jodi à la m'bral préparer pour nous un buffet créole maison. Pour me faire buffet, m'a vinn ban nous une sorte d'idée tout ça nous ka mettre sous table à canou pendant au moment des fêtes. Quelle que soit fête là nous pral gon idée. Moi venir là avec un den qui déjà mariné. Nous pral rester là côté mien, c'est là moi faire tout pour nous monter nous tout ça pour aller dans buffet. Là moi gagné cuisse de coden qui bien mariné que nous-mêmes nous capable faire le poulet ou bien salia, j'en ouvre là nous ca faire nous-mêmes. Moi mariner déjà avec épices nous connaît comment ça se fait déjà. Moi nique mettre dans chaudière, moi faire coden frit avec. Je vais mettre le cuit tranquillement, je vais mettre un peu de diffé là-dedans doucement et puis qu'on a c'est un premier bagage. Ça, c'est une deuxième viande, c'est viande cochon. Pas de moi dire nous c'est un buffet. Un buffet, c'est un bagage qui a toutes sortes de viandes. On a son viande cochon, je vais faire en sauce, je vais juste mettre le bouillir tranquillement, après ça je vais venir avec l'autre ingrédient, je vais mettre là-dedans. Comme nous-mêmes étant haïtiens, nous aimons un petit macaroni gratiné nous, je fais un petit macaroni gratiné. Mais macaroni là, même une petite sauce béchamel là, on vide là-dedans. Fin bien brasser li, on vide dans moule. Kounya là, mettez fromage sur lui. Kounya là, moi pas gratiner macaroni. Kounya là, m'a vinn préparer un petit vif pour nous mettre sous table. Ça c'est un maillot, ça c'est un yam jaune. Yam jaune là, on va mettre dans ça. On va mettre juste citron dans de l'eau pour que yam dans qualité jaune pour que va noircir. Moi couper yam dans gros sec et moi là mettre dans de l'eau froide. Regardez ça me fait là, je vais mettre un peu de l'eau dans le petit chaudé ça. Mettez un petit crasse d'eau parce que lui-même, juste avec la chaleur, simplement la cuite. Je mettez un petit feu à 4 et puis mettre couverture sur la cuite dans un espace de 20 minutes. Qu'on a là, on a débat ça. Coden qu'on a là, on a regardé c'est cuit. Qu'on a retirer mettre dans le bol pour le refroidir. Après ça, nous allons voir comment nous allons faire ensemble. Je viens avec poisson. Poisson ça là, bien mariné. Montre nous fait poisson déjà. Qu'on a bien mariné. Je vais le mettre dans le four. Je vais le mettre four à 350 degrés. Et puis je vais le mettre là-dedans. Et puis en vingtaine de minutes, la parfait. Qu'on y a là, moi, je viens cuire un petit du riz avec pois Congo. Qu'on y a même viande cochon, de dire nous m'a fait en sauce là. C'est parfait là. La viande moins cuite, bien cuite. Après moi qui me pas mettre l'huile dans la viande là, hein, mais charger l'huile de côté. Moi ajouter les oignons là-dedans. Moi ajouter oignon vert. Qu'on y a là, ma peine juste brasser et puis c'est petit chalet à quoi le faire bon. Ça c'est viande avec sauce moi. Moi pour préparer une sauce brune. Sauce brune non, moi t'ai fait déjà c'est une sauce au vin rouge. N'a moi déposer là qu'on a le juste chauffer. Après ça ici là, on va cuire légumes avec. Après ça nous va tout ça c'est préparation pour nous monter buffet créole là. Pour nous là bagage moi vinn faire en dernier, nous te ouais den te jam te cuit qu'on a va frites blanc et banane pesée ma frito. On commencer par viande avant parce que viande n'a pas dégager un petit goût dans l'huile là et l'huile là a un bon goût. L'aime vinn mettre banane a excellent. On continue. Mais t'as bien arrangé là pour buffet créole là. Qu'on y a là viande moins à frit, qu'on a tout reste manger même de guetan fait qu'on a nous ranger table là. C'est très important pour nous mettre pigou assiette dans plein sang. Parce que petit assiette yo même yo ka traverser, yo ka passer par un moun à l'autre. OK? Qu'on a nous va commencer monter table là. Remarquez là, moi arrivé à mettre toute affaire là, moi j'ai sauce poivre là, du riz, légumes, poisson, viande de porc avec sauce, macaroni gratiné, manioc, yam, betterave et la dinde. Constatez bien que moi mettez nous comment yam nan était jaune. Là il a de l'eau chaude. La dinde a été normale. Après ça nous allons mettre ustensiles appropriés. C'est bien fait, c'est beau, non? Pour moi, réaliser tout ça, ça prend des heures de temps. Moi, je souhaite que nous avons une période de fête de janvier, 6 janvier, nous avons une idée qui ça nous a fait. Pas oublier de partager la vidéo, partager le maximum de monde pour moi parce que comme ça, c'est une très bonne idée qui ça nous a fait. Nous n'avons pas gagné pile du riz, gagné macaroni, tout haïtien aime macaroni, gagné poisson, tout le monde aime poisson, puis gagné viande porc. Puis on vient de dedans. Gain pour tout le monde. Y compris si moun y a mangé tout. Si gen ti moun on fait plus de macaroni gratiné parce que ti moun aime macaroni gratiné en pile. Et pour faire plus de dedans aussi ti moun aime ça. Après ça ti crédito gen doit faire. Après ça à côté ou gen doit faire une petite table de dessert. Moi pas faire, moi faire juste ça pour nous. C'était GFL cuisine créole, j'en fais dans lundi. Votre chef à la maison qui rentre la caille. Merci. Au revoir.